Cleanstar's brand of carpet cleaning and extraction equipment, Flo-Star, offers the professional carpet cleaner a comprehensive range of quality tools and accessories that are made in the USA. This video will give you an overview of our extensive range. We have 1, 2, and 4 jet stainless steel carpet wands in both classic and low-profile designs, with Teflon guards available to suit, offering easy glide cleaning. Upholstery tools in full stainless steel with clear head and full plastic are available to suit your cleaning needs, including furniture and car interiors. Stair tools available in 18-inch and 29-inch lengths, which are perfect to use in tight locations and stairs. You can use this floor spinner tool for the ultimate clean, and it offers the best cleaning at between 900 and 1100 psi. There's a range of 15-meter long G-Vac hoses in both 1.5-inch and 2-inch varieties, which are available in either grey or orange. In addition, suitable hose cuffs and solution hose that comes in 7.5 meters and 15-meter lengths. Replacement brass and stainless steel valves, as well as trigger kits suitable for wands, upholstery tools, detail and stair tools. Cleanstar also stocks all of the required nozzles and jets for the tools in our range. They come in a variety of angles and flow rates. Then there's our wide selection of accessories to choose from, like male and female connectors, filters, dump valves, bearings, handles, and more. And if you find yourself in need of an Amatec motor or Sureflow or Aquatec pump, we have a variety available. You simply can't go past Cleanstar Flo-Star for your carpet extraction needs. Contact us for your nearest stockist or wholesale inquiries.